heavily on CAD data to bring your designs to life. You might be wondering, what's the difference between these CAD files? Which ones do I need for my projects? The Product Configurator gives you access to essential CAD CAM files through 4 different options: 2 2D formats and 2 3D formats. 1. The product in 3D. This option provides you with a zip file containing all individual components as separate CAD files. Product 3D is the only CAD data overlap between the Product Configurator and the Product Database, meaning you can get the same CAD files from Product Database if you know your part number. 2. Configuration 3D. Here you get a single CAD file that reflects the application you've configured. Keep in mind though that it mainly includes the door and hardware for lift and hinge systems, but for box, runner, and pocket systems, you'll receive the whole assembly. 3. Installation Situation 2D. This gives you a zip file that contains the 2D installation drawings tailored to your application's dimensions. 4. Production Drawing 2D. With this option, you get a single file download specifically designed for your application dimensions. So what should you take away from this? First, know that you must build a detailed configuration in order to get CAD CAM data on the results page of your Product Configurator. Secondly, understand that the Product Configurator and Product Database serve different purposes in your cabinet making process. Product Configurator will give you CAD data tailored to the application you just built in 2D and 3D format. And lastly, you can access CAD files directly from the results page of the Product Configurator or through the My Projects feature when you save your detailed configuration in a project folder, making it easier to retrieve the data you need, especially when you want to export entire project CAD files at once. By integrating the Product Configurator into your workflow, you'll save time and streamline your projects. We want to see your workflow be simplified, and our services are here to help you with that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips.